Hey, shenanigans. I don't know what's on the camera here. Anyway, I forgot to take you along with me. I'm out here getting a load ready to go to the scrapyard full of non-ferrous. So I'll see how much I can record before my camera dies from the heat, or before I'm done, which I'm kind of worried I'm almost done now, but I hope not. Anyway, let's see what we can get done. I'll show you what I've been up to. So this stuff was already in here, but I did put a couple of little motors right there. I put the lights, Christmas lights, and underneath is wires. I've got these two batteries out of here. This is where one of the motors came from. I don't know how much more I'm gonna do. I might take out some more of the wire. And I think I'm gonna see what it's like for y'all to sit here and watch. I think that might be the best place because it's in the shade, number one. Anyway, how have y'all been? I have been so-so, I guess. I got wires to get from up here, I see. That's weird. Huh. One of these wires went to the brake. Why would it go to the brake? That makes no sense to me. Oh well, got it. That's all that matters, I guess. There's one wire. Here's another. And another. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave those there so tight. Well, here. May as well snip them, I guess. We're here. Doesn't take that much extra energy. Alright. There's our wires. I'm gonna go put this on the trailer. I'll be right back. Work on getting us a couple of motors. Hopefully. See if we can get this can come off. Well, so far we're getting lucky, I guess I'd say. Uh-oh, where'd that screw go? That's not going to be good if it gets in my tire. Oh. There's one. That one don't want to come yet. There we go. There's two. See if we can get three. There's three. Yay! Well, that sounds horrible. Gotta get this turned so I can get in there. 2. I don't know what that is. Let's see if we can get this untangled. It's causing a problem. We'll get a plier to get those off. Try to anyway. There we go. There we go. Got it. One more. And then I'll go get a plier real quick. Alright, I'll be right back. I had a regular plier in there in my truck. It looks like all I got are lineman pliers, so we'll see how this goes. It worked. I gotta snip this, I guess. I forgot about that. Wouldn't have had to have done what I did. But I'm gonna do it again in case I ever need the ends. Then I got them. I don't know why I keep these, I just do. Don't know. These, I'm just gonna throw. And I'm not gonna be that nice about it, as you can tell. More wires to cut off. I think I could just bring it in the way it is right now, but I like taking it apart more. Even on a hot day, I don't mind it. There's metal. Now, I don't know how much more I'm going to do. I gotta get something figured out. I thought I had an umbrella that I could put out to give me some shade, but I can't find it. So I must have got rid of it, is all I can think of. Another piece. And yeah, it sticks to a magnet. Really? Darn it. So much for that. Another piece of metal. I got a bigger end. I think. It's probably too big though. I'm gonna try flat. Let's see if this works. I'm beating up all my ends, y'all. That's not good. Is this wishful thinking? No? It's coming. Slow but sure. Maybe I should use my manual screwdriver for this. Might be smarter. Work smarter, not harder. It's coming. Slow but sure. I think we got new neighbors, y'all. Oh my goodness. How long is this thing even working? Doesn't seem like it's doing anything. This is not what I want happening right now. It's turning. Got it. Finally. Now, get this all configured back the way it needs to be, so I don't lose anything. Now, work on this. This is why you want to work on them before they get all rusty, so you don't end up doing what I did. Little tiny screws. Wish I had something I could make shade out of. Something that won't blow away. Something that's not too heavy for me to carry. I mean, I got this. Covered part of me. I don't know, can you even see where I'm at anymore? How's that? I might be doing this video for nothing. If y'all can't see me. Let's see. Cut those there. I should have just cut in here, I guess. Oh well. Water cooler shooter. Water cooler shooter. There. That. And that come out. Okay, now. I think we're gonna leave it like this, y'all. Yep, I'm gonna leave that as a motor right there. I need something to hold screws. This is getting crazy. Too crazy. Screws and washers and everything all over the place here. Woo-ha! That was a lot, you know? Hope none of the screws got stuck in the crack here. Or washers especially. I totally stripped out, I don't know if you can all see it, a screw, or a screwdriver, screw bit. Yeah, I totally stripped it out. I think I'm going to do one more. Because I still got to get the screws out of here. I'm going to do one more. And then that might be it for today. Guess I should have gone out trash picking for the amount I'm getting accomplished here. I'm kind of bummed out about not getting more done. This may be non-magnetic. Yep. I think they call it like a hot metal or something like that. only problem with doing this other light is I won't have anything to hold up the shade. I'll have to do something about that. Kind of nice that these are regular screws because I think sometimes it's not. Sometimes they're not regular screws. Come on. My back is screaming, y'all. Back is screaming. Keeping those one washers for, I don't know why, because I think they're paper. One more to do. Then I have an idea to hold up my shade. Might work better. That makes short work of it. Alright, screaming back and all. I'll be right back. Back, y'all. Checking to see what you're seeing. That'll work. All right. I think I might start on the top of this one. And this one here. Maybe. Nope, don't want to come out. So we're going to start on the bottom. Guess I should have my drink out here. That one broke. Oh boy. This one's on here kind of tight. Yeah, we'll use this. There we go. So, I usually enjoy doing this, but it is so hot today. Welcome to summer in Texas. I'm probably going to be burnt now too. I just thought of that. I didn't put any sunscreen on. That was kind of dumb. That was very dumb actually. Throwing these away. Alright, now I'm gonna snip these off. I'm not even gonna bother with the thing. Just gonna snip them. I don't think Well, I think I need to take this one off. There was a bug bugging me. Okay, now, and these all come off. Yay. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get this one off now. Darn it. Darn it, darn it, darn it. Well. We're sunk. We are sunk. Check something. I think my screwdriver's too big. My bit. Can you still see me? It's amazing how much that little bit of shade helps. Okay, now how am I supposed to get that screw out? How in the world? I don't think I've ever experienced one like this before. Alright, y'all. Gotta see if you're too close. The camera died from overheating. So, I managed to get this top stuff off. And of course it's all magnetic. So, I don't know why I'm doing this, because I'm not going to be able to get very far with stripping those one screws. Yeah, see, I got to get that on the bottom. I got to get that off. I don't know. I don't know what to do. Because they really are stripped. thought for a minute I was getting somewhere with it. I wonder if I have a drill bit. Because maybe a drill bit would work. Can't get a saw in there. Otherwise I would just saw it out. Let me think about this a minute. Alright, hopefully y'all can see. I'm going to try with this blade a little bit. That ain't working. I don't know. Where'd that bit go that I ruined? I don't think this is going to do anything, but well, I'm bummed. I don't know if you can tell, but I am really bummed that that happened. If I can think of some way to fix this, to get it off, I'll let y'all know. But I'm done monkeying around for now. I'm gonna clean up and get in the house. I've about had it. Alright y'all, that's gonna be the end of it for me right now. I'm too hot and sweaty and yucky and stinky and all those things, and frustrated right now. I might come out later tonight or later on this afternoon, but I doubt it. I got things I gotta get done. Anyhow, I hope y'all are having a great day. Let's try that again. I hope y'all are having a great day, evening, morning, afternoon, whatever time it is, wherever you are. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. That way y'all be notified whenever I put up my next video. I'm praying for you, praying for the world. I hope you do the same. I love you from the bottom of my heart. And until next time, be blessed, y'all. Bye.